Hello, my name is Ramon Kool. I'm the sales director for the company Neomounts. I'm here today at the ISE 2023, where we are displaying about 40 new products. We are a true specialist in AV and IT mounting solutions, and I want to deep dive a little bit into two new mobile floor stands. The first one is a manual floor stand, so it's not motorized, it doesn't go up with a motor. Special features about this product is, first of all, an accessory box, so you can put all your hardware in there. It's always included in the box. It's up to you to decide to mount it or to not use it at all. Some other special parts are the handles. We can mount them on the top, the bottom. Basically it's modular. You can do one on the top, maybe the other on the bottom. We have cable management from the top, coming out here, coming out in the middle, and as well coming out at the bottom. So basically you don't have to see any cables when you're using this, which is very nice. Oh, I want to move around, there we go. Double caster wheels, 4-inch wheels, very important to go over speed bumps, to go over carpet, so it moves very smoothly. Another good thing is that you can put a power socket on the bottom. There's a little shelf there to move it away and to keep it out of the vision so nobody can see it, or no one's able to see it. We have here possibility, when you are moving the trolley around, to put the cables around it so it's more safe to move. And of course they have brakes. I want to jump into the next product, but also show one product which is for both. The smallest product we have in our assortment, but it's to lock the wheels. And sometimes in tender requests that's the demand. So smallest product we have. It's not included with the lock and not included with the keys. But of course you can buy your own padlock and it will work. Product we have here is a complete solution. At the moment we are displaying a Samsung Flip 2 Logitech Rally Bar, and we are showing the Logitech Tab. You can buy a separate media kit so that you can put the tab and the Logitech product above or below. So it's flexible in that way. If you come to this side, we also have the accessory box for this, so it's included in the box. You don't have to use it, but of course you can use it to put away your hardware. Also important to mention is that the hardware compartment has a lockability, so you can put a padlock around it as well and lock it. This can move up and down. It's most motorized, and it has a reach of 65 centimeters, which is quite unique. So it can go very low and it can go very high and it still remains stable. Well, you see here as well, while it's moving, the cable management system. And as you can see, it can go very low. Thank you for your time. Yeah. The website is www.neomounts.com.